Start off our trip pulling out of the port of Edmonds in Washington.
Out for is coming. I'd like to get across this guy's course, but just keep an eye on him. But otherwise, just stay that direction. Could give us a little more throttle and pull all the way down, and
I feel like the rudder
that way. Yeah, no, the rudder didn't stick at all today.
Yeah.
Opened right up.
I might be able to catch something.
So does this boat even have a traveler?
Yes, traveler's right here in front of me.
Oh wow, way up there, huh? That's kind of weird.
Yeah, with the cruiser cockpit design,
Right.
It's kind of more have an open, family-friendly cockpit and not having lines and stuff in the way.
So is it like a reverse pitch, or is it still run on the standard pitch when you're using it? Because it's so far forward.
Yeah, so it's adjustable, so...
Right. Oh, it's right at the window. Oh, okay.
Yeah, right here at my foot.
So it's mid-beam.
Thank you.
That's good.
Want it on? Okay.
So we won't have any issue, but the other thing to watch out for out here are the ferries. They have the biggest right of way.
Right.
And I've been
they're
pretty
the biggest
close to
goddamn
them
boat
before
out here.
too. It's,
So what island is this?
That's the peninsula.
yeah, that's the actual peninsula, so that's
it.
main
All
land.
those mountains over
Okay.
there. That's Mount Olympia.
Yeah, that's the Olympics. So you guys are pretty much, Port Townsend is right up around the point right there.
Yeah.
So right up around there's Port Townsend, and then you guys will just be heading, you know, all the way due west to the water.
Maybe we should have put Nellie on here. You could have just dropped us off. There you go.
This is a, I think a Coast Guard with the blue flashing light, so just stay towards his bow.
Okay. Oh yeah, that thing's moving fast.
So this is the Edmonds Kingston ferry.
So where's the port over there where he docks?
Pretty much right under the largest peak into that, where that kind of cove
So,
is.
man, he might not be turning for a bit. He's turning now.
As I say, you can just back. Well, no, he is going to turn.
Do a big.
Here, I'll take the helm just so if you're getting. I don't know what they're going to do, so
Yeah,
I'll
that's
just.
not my boat.
Yeah, I'll just.
I was just gonna do a nice 360, casual at 360, and come back and pull their ass in and let them get in front of us.
Yeah, no, I'm actually going to just turn up this way and go parallel to him. Then just a winch handle to help when I need the help. Good on the nose and the wind. Just pull her as snug as we can get it, and then we'll throw the winch on it and give it a couple. The wind's starting to pull us now. There we go. light winds, they'll catch a little more if we get us on the windward side.
Okay.
So pull the windward, this right line. The one that you had your arm on first. Yep. Pull that as tight as you can. Shouldn't have the person asked at all. Is this all the way up?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Heave ho!
I'm coming. I'm coming, you know. Come on, you've been doing this since you were 12.
You shouldn't have to?
I'm gonna kill it because I'm feeling some good gusts here.
Okay.
So just pull that all the way to get the car coming up to you.
I'm telling you, it's sticky.
It's not pulling all the way hot. I ain't put my fingers in there. There we go. It went.
The lines are just.
Now, where do you want the traveler?
That's
you want
good right there.
Okay.
Just as far leeward or windward as we can get it.
So this is Whidbey Island.
Correct.
We'll be going there.
And up around
In the RV?
right side takes you up to Deception Pass. Come to Daddy?
No, we're going to cover it when we dock. The two of us can do it in minutes.
Exactly, yeah.
You want to wave to Lucy in the camera? Let's kind of push us here. If we turn, might just have to fire it up and get a little motor.